to be
Well, first
honest.
of all, good luck to you, as your mom will definitely see the podcast. In my case, I'm always a scaredy cat. Okay. I still can't watch horror movies or read horror books because I'm really scared. That's the only reason. And about me, I haven't seen a ghost, and I don't think anyone has ever seen, but I have felt some paranormal activities once, and it still haunts me.
Okay, so can I look at more deeper into your experience of feeling horror?
Okay, so in my previous home, I used to sleep alone, and one day I was sleeping, and I was like nearly sleeping, not that much, and suddenly I heard someone's presence, and it felt like someone was snoring, and as I was kind of sleeping, so I felt like, oh, maybe that was my brother or my grandmother. Sometimes she used to like stay with me when she came from my hometown, and suddenly I realized, no, I am sleeping alone. Who the heck is making these sounds? And when I realized this, I felt vibration, like really scaring. Like I felt vibration in my pillow, and it felt like me that like I started praying to God because like let me leave for some more days, please.
Okay, so are you sure that that wasn't an earthquake at that moment?
Well, definitely not. My bed was not moving. Only the
Okay,
like
so
the
only your
pillow.
pillow was moving?
Yes, and it felt like someone was holding it and then vibrating
Okay,
it.
so by hearing this story, I'm pretty sure that little Ahun would actually be very interested at that situation, because I guess I would be more curious to know what is happening around me. And I guess I would actually pretend to sleep more just to feel this paranormal activities around me.